So guys, I'm discuss very important topic here that is called how we can promoting for movie trailers. Suppose you launching one movie trailer here. People asking question will be called how to increase the particular my YouTube trailer and teaser views. How to increase that? That mean by your video will be playing for other video with a skip and a non-skippable video ads. Skip and a non-skippable video ads. Example, here my channel will be playing for in this, they're playing for other video will be here. Now you just think I'm playing here, some other video will be playing here, skip ad. When skip will be done, they're showing for my particular ad. So here any particular channel, so this is my particular channel will be here. For the any assistance, please subscribe our channel for the latest video purpose. If you are promoting any particular video will be here in this option, it will be play for any video, they showing certain ads are there. This ad nothing but the people watching for on a particular trailer. So how will be promoting your trailer will be other YouTube channel as a ad type, as a ad type option. Now here how will we start the promotion will be here. In this purpose we have to using for google.com/adwords option. Now you can click for sign in option will be here. In the sign in, so will be here. Everything will be given by the youtube.com/ads. They explain everything will be process will be here. So what the cost, everything will be given by the particular option will be here. And how we can start for the campaign for particular trailer. This trailer have to increase the views on the particular here. If your video will be less than 6 seconds, that is a non-skippable ad. More than 6 seconds, that is a skip ad. So you come into a channel, click for new campaign option. In this new campaign option will be here. They're showing first of all goals, sale, lead generation, website traffic, product and brand consideration, brand awareness and reach, or else. Then we can go to video option, which one in this campaign select for video. Here we'll be searching for all options are here. First of all, custom video campaign here. So always using for your custom video campaign. Complete process will be there and the showing for particular option will be here. This all will be skippable in stream, non-skippable in stream, bumper ad, everything will be possible. Bumper ad a theme, but 5-6 second video ad is a bumper ad, is a non-skippable. So we can selecting for non-skippable, everything will be here. So we can selecting for custom video campaign. Custom, you have own setting for skippable in stream as bumper ad and video discovery ads. So this will be showing here. Non-skippable, skip and non-skippable. Share your entire message within the 15-second non-skippable. So how much my trial will be? 1 minute 20 seconds. Outstream, reach people their phone or tablet using vCPM bidding with outstream ads. Here will be drive conversion. This will be your video to your particular website conversion purpose. Ad sequence, tell your story to your showing ads particular sequence to individual viewers with the skippable and in-stream ads, non-skippable in-stream ads, bumper ads and everything option. So in this one, we can go for custom video campaign option. Click for continue. Guys, what are the parameters are required? Use a particular formatter. I'm using for view purpose. Go for this campaign. Go for this campaign. There's a video campaign here. What is the purpose of CPV, cost per view? They're charging maximum CPV option. Target CPV nothing but only impression. View will be not count. They will be see ad, but they can't click for the option. Any play the video, they show for, suppose I play this video in this. The video will be play here. The video will be play for two positions with image and with video. Two options are here. So now I'm promoting this one only for video format. Here campaign total and daily budget. I fix for daily budget here. Suppose I fix for 500 is my daily budget. They're showing for 10 billion plus views per here. I'm give the 1500 budget, 10 billions here, 11,000 here in the option. So right now I'm adding for 500 option will be here. After that, I'm not give the end date. Suppose if you're searching for campaign total, compulsory end date will be mentioned mandatory. Suppose I mentioned by the 11,500, my campaign total. End date compulsory you mention. So based on end date, they are selecting for daily budget here. So I'm selecting for daily. This will be only for 500. So that time, no need for end date. So what are the parameter we can show here? That all parameter you have to finish in this option will be here. Next, the ad will be showing for YouTube search results, YouTube video option, and video partner on the display network options. This will be showing for position, YouTube search results and YouTube video and video partner. Video partner nothing but where our video will be play. On this video, our showing for skip ad also will be. Where you can target India wise or particular location. I'm target only for Hyderabad. Suppose I'm selecting for Telangana. For example, I'm selecting only particular one state. So your target by entire India. Select for entire India here. And language. What are the language? You can selecting for specific language will be here. English. I'm selecting for English and Telugu also. I'm selecting only for two languages. After that, don't select this option. Is a common. After that, we can go for add group option. Here, ad group will be set for particular age, audience, and every option will be there. General, age, parental state, everything. So my trailer, we can reaching for every audience, not for the particular one audience. I can reach for each and every audience option. So I don't select any option will be here. Any audience, yes, I have to selecting for any audience. Any keyword, yes, I have to select none of the keyword that target for everywhere. Any topic our ad will show to the customer by YouTube option. Next, placement. This is a very important. Suppose you target will be any placement, first option, any particular YouTube channels. Suppose one channel will be very highest trending, the channel will be adding for in this option. Suppose we can go with here. So we can selecting for comedy with Kapil, one of the channel is there. So this channel we have to promote on your particular video. We can promote in this channel also. We can promoting for any placement and a particular channel also will be promote. And one more option, this will be promoting for particular video also. Suppose you can target by the another channel one specific video. This is a trending video. Simple. Go to YouTube. Trending. Here some video will be trending and going on here. Suppose this will be going to trending. This video also will be in this video. Our video has a showing for ad option. In this video, our video will showing for the ad option. Simple. Just play this video here. In this video, our will be showing ad same like in this pattern. Same like in this pattern. So here we can selecting for particular video and video in the particular category options, or else we can promoting in particular websites, apps categories. Suppose you target by one game app, is a very few members are using that application. We can target by the particular app also. Is it clear? We are promoting for particular app also. Now, what is your budget? Budget will be given by the 40 rupees. Here they give the particular option will be here in this 10 billion plus. Now, here we can add the video option. Now, the start will be here. Skippable in stream. Skip back. The showing will be here. CPV 40 rupees. Here budget will be spending for 40 rupees here. Views 9.4K to 26K. Suppose your budget will be increased 15,000. View will be increased here. Suppose 11,000. You get by this much of views and impressions. Based on the budget, we have to increase by the your particular option will be here. So this is the parameter we can use for the particular movie trailer promotion purpose. So this is a way we have to promoting for movie trailers in this option. So here Just we can go for in this option in this. It will be showing for in this option. So this is a particular. We have to check everything will be properly. Now suppose we can selecting for discovery ads. So yeah, we can selecting for discovery ad here. The showing for complete will be change. Ad will be showing for will be here. This will be skippable video ads. Finally, we can give to the URL will be your channel URL. Which one? Channel URL. So here, this is a complete option will be here. So this selecting here. Display URL. If you want to add any call to action is optional option. So automatically generated by the video thumbnail here. If you video discovery, you can change thumbnail option will be there. Skippable, don't change image option will be there. In the YouTube, the particular ad will be showing here in desktop. So we'll be showing for ad will be like this. They're showing for two options. So here on YouTube will be here. They're showing mobile and here. So we can show for ad will be here. Copy link. Check this option. Play here. Or you can show for your particular ad option will be here. This is ad will be showing for your particular users. So this is ad will be showing to your particular option will be here. So this is a ad preview. You can checking for desktop preview ad, which will be like this. Nothing will be difference. Both are will be same. Your option will be here. This is a way we have to showing for the customers to display by the in this ad option. Now, finally, you will be decide particular channel name. Here everything is ready. Don't writing for anything. So based on the budget, they will be showing for your particular option will be there. So here, when I'm selecting for 20,000, they will be each will be here. So we can everything can check for your particular option. These are particular preview option will be here. Suppose you can daily for 1,000 rupees. No worry, this option will be there. 5,000. He will be showing for particular option. So if we running any particular ad will be here, we can starting for particular budget will be there. So based on that, we have to promote for your particular budget will be here. So when you're starting the budget for daily, setting for 2,000 is okay. Now 1,500 is okay. So and go for 1,000. So not that. So minimum you can go for budget will be 1,500, 33K to 98K up to 33,000 to up to 90K here. So we're looking for 1 lakh up to. So here 46K to up to 1 lakh 40. How much we'll get the, we not give the guarantee. This will be impression, average CPE cost and budget will be spent here. When you're selecting daily budget time, no, don't give the ended option. When selecting for campaign total, compulsory ended is mandatory field. The video will be showing for YouTube search results, YouTube video and video partner for display network. So that is the showing for here. This is called video partner. Some other website, our video will be play will be like this. So finally, create your campaign. So this is the way we have to promote our video for other YouTube channel, other videos, any option will be there. and other website also. If anyone asking question in interviews, shall we promote our video other website also? Shall we promote other website also? Our video will be promote. That will be custom video campaign on the particular Google AdWords. The campaign will be successful, be start or not. How we can know that? Eligible, select it. The video is eligible option. When video time, they're showing for under review option. Why under review? When account will activate after payment, they will start your campaign will be start in the particular budget. So this is the follow instruction. Promote the movie trailer, teasers, and movies. Anything will be possible on the particular YouTube ads. On the particular YouTube channel, they will be showing for a particular YouTube channel, particular YouTube video ads, and the website, mobile apps category, and the particular category videos also. So this is a way we have to promoting for your particular videos in the YouTube ad purpose. One more, if you stop this campaign, simple option will be anytime will be start, anytime will be pause. Why? Because this will be not mentioned for end date. Anytime will be run, anytime will be closed on the particular ads. So this is a way we have to start the particular campaign for the marketing for movie trailers, movie teasers, and the particular channel and the website options. Thank you. Thank you for watching. For the any assistance required, please come to our channel, comment me. I'll definitely assist you for the any information. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share, like our videos.